What's going on, everyone? It's Danny's Mobile Welding here, and we're back at Arthur Goulart's garage. And so he gave me permission to go ahead and use his hoist. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this bad boy. We're gonna get this bad boy off. We're gonna set it up, and we're gonna replace it. I think I want to put it on here. I gotta measure it, make sure it fits first before anything. Then I'm gonna dismount it. As you know, this welder generator had an issue with it. It failed and it's down, so I couldn't wait and I had to get something new. So this is its replacement. We definitely upgraded, and I hope that it's gonna service all of Connecticut with me for decades to come. So anyways, let's see what's going on and let's get it started. Let's open up these garage doors first. All right, we got her in. Now let's close the door. All right, first I'm gonna start by lifting this off the bed just to get it all assembled. All right, so we just pulled the truck out from underneath. Now we're gonna drop it off to the side, and I guess we'll start assembling it, get it all set up. All right, here it is again. Now I found the owner's manual in the engine bay door on the, if you're looking at it, it would be on the left-hand side, I guess. Well, right hand, whatever. Anyway, here it is. Here's my old welding power that threw a rod on me. Let me know if I'm wrong. Right, so zero compression whatsoever, as you can see. So I had to upgrade. We got the Lincoln Ranger 330 MPX. So first off, the battery compartment is right here. As you can see, it's got some GFCI receptacles. You got your 240, your 120, 240 over here, your 120. Here's the specs on it. Duty cycles. I don't know them all by heart, so I guess just put the screen on pause if you want to know. So the first thing we're going to do is connect the battery, and looks like it takes these Torx socket things. So we're going to go ahead and unscrew those, take them off, and connect the leads to the battery. All right, so we got the cover off. As you can see, you got your terminals right here. This is positive and negative. One thing that I saw in the review by Baker's Gas is he did point out that this was a pretty good design, because as you noticed, most of the batteries are in the back of the machine, like that one. And this one's up in the front, so you don't, if you have your machine laying in the bed, you don't really need to pull it out to maintain the battery or service the battery. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these on. Red is positive, black is negative or ground, and tighten them up. All right, we got everything all tightened up here. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got it mounted up on the truck. I found some fuel, so we can go ahead and start it up. One thing I forgot to mention is that you got to check the engine bay. The directions are in there, the manual for this. Also, these what do you call these, strain shackles are in there as well in the engine. That's for your leads to take the strain off of them when you plug them in through here. So when you pull them, it doesn't pull on the you know, where it connects to the terminal. So let's go ahead and start this and see how it sounds. Let's prime the fuel pump first. Notice the knocking is not as loud. I think that's because it finally got fuel through the line and and now it's, you know, just doesn't resonate as much. So if you're gonna start this for the first time, definitely turn it on and off and cycle the fuel pump a few times, I guess. Let's see, hopefully it starts. What? Choke. Idle. That's pretty smooth. Nice. Out with the old, in with the new, baby. All right. Well, thanks for following. Thanks for watching. And feel free to like and subscribe. And, you know, hopefully I'll have some more videos on... Well, I will. I'll have some more videos on how this thing welds. And hopefully I'll be getting some more attachments sometime soon. Because I don't... The only thing I have... The only capabilities this thing has right now for me is stick welding and generating power. So, I'm gonna have to get some attachments. Anyway, stay tuned and follow my journey. Have a good one, guys. Peace.